Yeah. Yeah. Silver baby in the building. New chains to the old villain. Every bar like a court hearing. Judge bang gavel when I'm near him. Came out the mud, not timid. Turn every dot to a digit. Turn every scar to an image. Every image to a business. I'm the one that can't copy. Whole game sweet, I'm coffee. You can sip this properly. Burn your tongue, move sloppy. Silver world on my back now. Stamp on the globe like a pat down. Deal on the table, that's packed sound. Whole catalog like a trap house. They wanna ride this wave, get seasick. I make classics, they remix. They talk bread, that's premix. I talk bread, that's deep bricks. African soul with a US dream. Different coins in my blue jeans. Ran in the left with the old dreams. Dollar in the right with the new schemes. 2 phones, 2 time zones, 2 plugs, 2 milestone. Borderline, that flight gone, touchdown. My mic on, promoter calling, I'm late again. City to city, I skate again. They pray I slip on the way to win. I pray my mama can pray again. Fuck Ramaphosa, he's selfish. Think for himself, not the helpless. You sitting pretty in the palace. My people hustling their ashes. You got your fingers in business. Hitting money like it's Christmas. We see smoke in the distance. You playing blind to the victims. Big Zulu on the station. Home known, big admiration. But you not in my occupation. I'm in bars, that's litigation. Thank you, Mazzilli, for day one. Saw the spark before the flame come. Back then I was nameless. Now every verse feel dangerous. Ambition used where you hide it. I knew that shit was sliding. Sign them kids, then blind them. Left them broke, still smiling. I saw cracks in the label. False crowns on the table. Turn fables to payroll. Now that Impala is stable. Jeezy stole my song, I swear. Same flow, same cold stare. You think I wouldn't hear that there? I hear echoes in my own lair. You took the cadence and cadence, but never could take where I came from. Different gravel on my day ones. You can fake the weight of my tongue. Thank you to Civil World Records. Gated kid keys to the sector. Now I drive through every lecture. Teaching these clones new texture. African blood in my veins. American notes in my bank. You counting likes, I count exchange. You counting cloud, I count the range. Ran to the collar that flip talk. Land to the collar that drip walk. Sand in my sneakers from back blocks. Now penthouse views from my laptop. Trump on the news with the loud mouth. I was in the booth with the power out. Writing in the dark when the lights out. Still made a spark on the right route. Different presidents, same greed. They speak big, still can't feed. Whole world caught up in the same weed. Silver baby water in his own seeds. Promoters think they can short pay. Book me high, then talk brave. Try shave half off the off day. I'll bring goons to the doorway. I want every cent, that's interest. You want clout, that's Pinterest. I want homes, you want Pinterest. That's the gap for the distance. Criminal records on my shelf. Not police, that's the sales. I make cases by myself. Every track like it's bail. Better go and check on my catalog. You see heat in the deadlock. Every stream like a sabotage. Hold doubt that I Adam thought. Fuck that, you copy my style. Big teeth with the over smile. Long verses but missing wild. You took the sauce.